Born in Lagos in 1969, the son of Mr. Ayinde Adeola Ogunleye and Madam Abeni Olasunbo Ogunleye. His early days in Alimosho were the crucible where character was forged. A true son of the soil, his heritage is rooted deep in Ogun State, with paternal ties to Pahai, Ilaro, Nyewa, and maternal lineage in Kimta, Abeokuta. This dual identity would later define his political destiny. His foundation was built on the bedrock of finance. A relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to become a distinguished chartered accountant, a fellow of ICANN and CITN. His political foray was not accidental. It was a principled response to the call of democracy. Inspired by the progressive ideology and the struggle for a better Nigeria, he found his political compass in the visionary leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Under this tutelage, he learned the art of governance, fiscal responsibility, and legislative strategy that would shape his entire career. For 12 years, he honed his expertise at the Guardian newspapers, rising to the position of accountant. He then transitioned to the private sector, establishing Soltem Nigeria Limited, a successful tax consultancy firm. His professional success was merely preparation for a higher calling, public service. His legislative journey began in 2003, serving Alimosho for 8 years in the Lagos State House of Assembly, where he was instrumental in shaping the state's financial architecture. He moved to the House of Representatives, chairing the critical Public Accounts Committee. His ascent culminated in representing Lagos West, the largest senatorial district in Nigeria, where he served as the chairman of the Senate Committee on Finance, driving the passage of the Revolutionary Finance Act of 2020, 2021, and 2022, and restoring the January to December budget cycle. This unbroken 2-decade-long legacy of legislative excellence earned him the national honor of Commander of the Order of the Niger, CON. In a historic and unprecedented move, the distinguished senator answered the call of his ancestral home with the strategic support of the APC leadership in Ogun State, including the esteemed Governor Dapo Abiodun and elder statesman Chief Olusegun Osoba. He made history as the first senator to transition states and win, representing Ogun West Senatorial District. This was a homecoming, a commitment to the Omo Ogun Isheya mantra. In just 2 years, his impact has been transformative. Over 300 infrastructure projects, including roads, schools, and health centers, have redefined the landscape of Ogun West. His massive empowerment programs have uplifted over 50,000 constituents, while scholarships have secured the future of thousands of students. Today, as the chairman of the Senate Committee on Appropriations, he continues to shape the nation's fiscal destiny. From a disciplined accountant to a political titan, his journey is a masterclass in progressive politics. He is the Aremo of Yewaland, the distinguished son, Yayi. Join us as we celebrate this extraordinary leader, the Son Man of the Year, 2025.
President General, Ogala, Oyakawa Soke, Tokawa Soke, President General Lamont, President, Oyakawa Soke, Shemoyagi, Olamonigi, Shemoyagi, Amonigi, Shemoyagi, Amonigi, Shemoyagi, Someone look also. Ọlámilékan. Ṣé o máa lo tóṣù? Ọlámilékan. Ó jẹ́ sẹ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ bá mi dídé. Ó jẹ́ sẹ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ bá mi dídé. Sẹ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ bá mi dídé. Sẹ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ bá mi dídé.